Hi guys, back again with another video. Now this video is going to be accessory video again. Now I actually went to Kottayam in Kerala and I found a Reliance digital store there. So I went in. I was actually searching for a switchboard because while you're traveling, if you're a person like me who uses one laptop, 2 3 phones and other devices which have to be charged, so you have to have more than one PowerPoint. Now the problem that I've been facing is that whenever I go to a hotel or another person's house or wherever I'm staying, the maximum PowerPoint that I'll get is one, nothing more than that. So in that one PowerPoint I have to charge, my friends have to charge or whatever. So I don't have enough sockets. So one option was get a power strip with 4 or 5 plugs in it, or this was the second option. This one I actually found there, and the reason why I bought this is because this is actually very cheap right now. The MRP on this is actually 1499, so I will not advise this for 1499. For that price I would rather get a power strip. I got this for 399 rupees from the from the Reliance digital store. Now the specialty about this is a PowerPoint in itself. So this actually goes into a PowerPoint. Then you have two USB output here. So this USB output actually gives you 2 amp of power. So basically 1 amp and 1 amp, not 2, it's not 4, it's just 1 amp and 1 amp. So regular charging. So that's actually good enough for me to actually charge my power bank. So what I actually tested was, when I got it home, I put this into the power bank, and through the power banks I was charging my phones. I wanted to see if this is going to overheat, if I'll have a problem or not, and it's been 7 days and this thing doesn't overheat, so it's actually working pretty good. Let me just show you how it is. So you have this small warranty card. We don't need that, keep that aside. Then you have this plug, so you'll have to remove this, keep that aside too. So this is how it actually looks like. Now it actually looks pretty simple, plain and simple. You put the plug over here and you have the outputs here, but this has got a special feature. Now this one can actually go 90 degrees towards the left or 90 degrees towards the right. So it's got a 180-degree turning radius. Now I'll show you how it's going to be helpful. Now, like right now, I'm sitting next to a table where the power point is towards the bottom. Now, if I put any plug over here or anything over here, when I push the table back, the table is going to touch against it. But now I have an option of actually putting this in the plug and then rotating this. So it can go like that, or I rotate it this way, and it works pretty good. So let me just show you how it actually works. Let me just show you the power plug that I actually connected to. Okay, so that's the power plug. So if I put this in there, I have a problem. Actually, I cannot switch it off right now because the main light is actually on to that. So let me try another one. Okay, so this is the power plug. So I'll put this in and switch it on. So as soon as you switch it on, you see this blue light here. So that actually indicates that this is on and it's working. Now I can just rotate it over here. Now because the switch is at this side, now I have rotated it towards that side, and I can actually put anything over here, and I can connect any regular charger or my laptop adapter or anything over here. So this actually comes in handy. I actually like this product a lot because now while I'm traveling, this is coming handy very much. So that's basically it. That's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe with the like button and do comment, and I'll see you again with another video. Bye bye.